B50 60D lightweight charging type hydraulic pliers. Fast plug battery. Pin for crimping. The head can be rotated 180 degrees, suitable for different occasions, flexible and convenient. With OLED display, simple page turning, can quickly view product information. Crimping operation. Automatically identify the terminal diameter and judge the crimping depth. The maximum output is 60 kilotons, ensuring firm and reliable crimping. Crimp effect. Crimping operation. Crimped in place, automatic shutdown and reset. Displacement sensor accurately controls piston advancement distance. Crimp effect. Crimping operation. Crimp effect.